Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change dialer from last video to keypad, open to keypad in our phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. Okay, first of all, open dialer in our phone. And now I go to recents, then contact. And now I close the dialer and now again I open the dialer. So when I again open the dialer, it is opening from the what I seen last. I have opened last this contact, okay, before closing that dialer. So from the contact itself it's opening, okay. So from last viewed screen it is opening, but instead of last viewed you can always open to this keypad itself, okay. So how to do is, first of all, go to this dialer, then go to this three vertical dots here, then here click on open to keypad, okay. Then only it will be changing from open to last viewed to open to keyboard, okay. If you again click on it, now it is showing that open to last viewed, okay. So open to last viewed is deactivated and open to keypad is available, okay. Open to keypad is now active, okay. So what it means, I now go to this recent, then I close the dialer. Now if I open the dialer, it will not open from the recent, okay. Recent, what I seen in last, okay. So, click on it directly, this dialer will open, okay. Wherever you go, now I go to contact and I close the dialer, again I open the dialer, but from the contact it's not opened, okay. That contact screen is not open. Last scene is contact, okay, but that's not open, okay. See here, once again I am showing, I close it and I open, see here. So in this way you can easily change from last view to keypad itself, okay. So whenever you close every time you close the dialer, it will open. If you freshly open the dialer, it will be from the dialer itself, okay. That's all friends, that is a keypad itself. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.